The ZONESUN ZS-AFC19B is a fully automatic rotor pump filling and capping machine designed for paste and semi-liquid products. Operating at about 15 bottles per minute, it integrates filling, cap placement, and capping into a compact system. Equipped with a high-precision rotor pump, it ensures smooth, accurate, and stable dispensing of viscous materials. With a user-friendly control panel, customizable bottle and cap compatibility, and durable construction, this machine provides efficient, reliable, and long-term performance for small to medium-scale production lines. It is ideal for creams, gels, sauces, and other viscous products in cosmetic, food, and daily chemical industries.